breakfast here at 7-Eleven near the Disneyland Resort. Pero magto-12 na. Pero yun na yung pinakamaaga niya. So, thank you. It's better than 2:30 or 4. Which is the time na lumalabas talaga kami normally this past few days. Sana ganito din kadami yung choices sa 7-Eleven sa Philippines. See? By the way, it's Monday today. So hopefully, hindi ganon kadami ang tao. Given the weather nga din is umuulan. And hopefully, kayanin namin to. Meron lang naman ako mga selected rides. Guys, gustong matry dito. Tron, which is, I believe, exclusive lang sa Disneyland Shanghai. Yun yung unang-una naming sasakyan para ma-secure na ang bucket list ko. Guys, tignan nyo, oh, bago pumasok ng resort. Nasaan ka? Korea! Guys, ang lamig talaga. 13 degrees. Kung ano yung init ng Hong Kong Disneyland na na-try nyo, na wini-wish nyo sana malamig, pero hindi ito yung lamig na gusto nyo kasi.
Ito lamig. Pwede ka naman lagyan ng isda.
Oo. Maano na siya. Mapipreserve. Pero, good thing is, hindi na umuulan. Unlike kanina, paglabas namin ng hotel, parang binabalot ng kadiliman yung paligid. Pero ngayon, lumiwaliwanag na to. Did you know guys, nandito ang pinakamatlaking castle sa lahat ng Disney Resort. Yung mga napanood kong vlog, ito yung mga pilahan nila. Puno yan hanggang dun sa hall. Dun, basta dun pa. Pero ngayon, wala. Yun nga lang, malamig talaga. Tron. Sobrang ganda ng paligid, guys. Sobrang lamig din. Ito sobrang pogi. First ride, Buzz Lightyear. Ito yung parang Ant-Man sa Hong Kong Disneyland. So, hindi ko na kayo isasama kasi magkakaroon kami ng rematch. Tumigil na ako, guys. Kasi tambak na ako. At pagod na ako. Pero siya, Gina G pa din.
Ah!
Si Tron kasi guys is a high-speed roller coaster pero instead of yung usual na upuan na meron kang safety belt or safety lock, ito motorsiklo. And ito kasi for the motor. Kaya ayun, grabe adrenaline guys. Kulit ha? Babalik pa kami doon.
Kaya hindi na tayo sa pinakaharap.
This time daw sa pinakaharap na kami. Kanina kasi nasa pangalawa kami. Yun. Saya guys kasi parang kami naka-express pass. Wala kasing masyadong tao. So walang pila. Kaya babalik ulit kami.
No.
Anong comment mo?
Mas ano siya kasi sa Grizzly?
Mas smooth
intense
siya pero mas intense. Ito yung parang Grizzly Gulch sa Hong Kong Disneyland. Dito, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Mines Train siya. Hey guys, time check. Mag-aalas 4 na. Nandito kami ngayon sa Barbossa's Bounty. Ito yung restaurant na banda dito kay Pirates of the Caribbean. Medyo madilim. Kasi nga, Pirates of the Caribbean set up. And they still accept cash here. Ang advice ko sa inyo, pag kumuha kayo ng ticket sa Klook, you include the 100 food and beverage coupon kasi ang laking save. Like, yung ticket na walang ganon versus sa ticket na meron, it's like 57 to 60 pesos difference. O diba, tapos 100 Chinese yuan na agad yun, 700 plus savings. So, kain na kami. Kasi pag-rumpy na siya. Guys, ang pangat ng tignan. Pero gusto ko maging part to ng vlog ko. Ang sarap ng ribs nila. Laki ng serving. Yung kinakain niya, galing pa yan dito sa akin.
得和我决一死战！
Bibili niya daw to, 79. Sabi ko, bibilang ko na lang siya sa Divisoria. How was it, baby?
Ganda.
Siya, lagi ko siya tinatanong kung how was it. Kasi, syempre, hindi namin pupuntahan lahat ng attraction dito. Namili lang ako ng mga priority because this is a honeymoon. Ayoko naman na nagmamadali kami. Kaya, tinatanong ko siya lagi, how was it?
Maganda. Mas ganda sa Hong Kong.
Oo, guys, sobrang galing ng China. I think itong Pirates of the Caribbean is exclusive lang din sa Shanghai. I don't know, please comment down below, but I think it is. You don't want to miss this talaga pag napunta kayo dito. Kaya naman,
Babalik kami.
you were saying?
Parang wala sa ano, no? Sa Hong Kong. Pero,
Wala. Bawat Hong Kong, bawat Disneyland, baby, meron siyang kanya-kanyang ano.
Exclusive.
Oo, like wala dito yung Mystic Manor, di ba? At madilim na, guys, pero isasama ko pa din to because this is our honeymoon vlog.
Parang ano siya, mga similar na ano, attractions. Pero iba yung
theme, oo.
Like Disney Fair.
Yung sa Seven Dwarfs Train. Pero mas maganda to, guys.
Mas maganda.
Super, like,
better.
nagustuhan nga niya. Mahirap kaya to i-please, kala nyo.
Slide.
Mas gusto pa nito, umupo na lang sa isang tabi. Pero sama pa daw siya ulit.
Okay. Hello, 9 degrees. Ang Disney princess niya, naging yellow niya. Ang puti mo, be.
Tingnan niyo, hindi ko alam, hindi pa bantayan o ano. Pwede pa kami mga guys, pero gusto ko nang umuwi for the first time. Hindi ako handa maging ano.
Disney princess?
Maging ano, Frozen.
Ayaw maging Elsa.
Ayoko. Hirap pa na nun. Pero masaya naman. Kasi nasakyan namin yung mga gusto namin sakyan.
Yeah.
Na hindi siya pinagpapawisan.
Totoo. So,
wala din masyadong tao, guys. May madami. Pero the longest waiting time na nagkaroon kami is 15-20 minutes. Ganyan.
yeah, no need for express pass. Maganda talaga magbakasyon or gumala sa Disneyland kapag hindi holiday.
Today is Monday.
Monday. Nagtatrabaho mostly yung mga tao.
Nakapag-check out na kami sa hotel and we were able to store our luggages with them kasi madaling araw pa yung flight namin, so we still have a half day para mag ikot-ikot. Hey guys, magpo 4 o'clock na and alam nyo, kada labas namin ng mga station, parang kami sa ibang mga portal. And right now, ito since day 1 pa siya nagbububuga-buga kasi gusto niya sa Chengdu na may umuusok. Wala, kahit na nag 6 degrees na. By the way guys, we are now here sa China Art Museum. The admission is free, guys, so I suggest na itry nyo dito when you're visiting Shanghai. Ang ganda nito, guys, and ang laki. Kita niyo yung tao, andun lang siya, ayun si Bebe, andyan lang siya. Ang laki nito, as in. Update. What can you say, baby?
Sakit sa paa. Sobrang laki.
Hindi masyadong masaya. Maganda yung architecture niya sa labas. You can take pictures. Then, kung meron kayong time, mas pag kayo maglakad, pasukin nyo. Pero ang hirap hanapin ng exit. Tapos, puro Chinese exhibition. So, hindi namin maintindihan. But, it's undeniably big. Mahirap lang lumabas. Wait guys, parang kami naglakad sa Disney. Kaya ngayon, hanap kami ng upuan. Kasi nagsisimula na in 3, 2, 1. Nagiging hawk na siya. Hey guys, magsi 6 PM na. And nandito kami sa River Mall. This is just across the China Art Museum. We found again our cafe. So far, favorite cafe dito, which is the koi. As in koi fish. Koi da. Let me show you this. Yan. It's already 9:30 and we are back at Pudong International Airport kasi flight na namin mamaya ng mga 1:30 AM. How does it feel na 4 hours earlier tayo?
Okay lang. Hindi, maganda early dito kasi like maganda yung view, malamig.
Maluwag guys. See? Ang haba hanggang doon. Yan. Yeah. And very accessible talaga siya ng train. Like, there's direct train papunta dito.
Hindi ka mata-traffic tulad sa Manila.
Tapos 6 Chinese yuan lang yung pamasahe namin. Each.
That's like 45 pesos, 47.
How was the honeymoon trip? Huh?
Bitin out.
We're already back in the Philippines, and before we end this vlog, we just want to share some few notes that may help you if you're planning to visit Shanghai. So first, unlike Hong Kong and Macau, Shanghai is a visa country. We applied our visa directly to the China Embassy in Makati, and it took us 3 to 4 days before we were able to claim our passport. As we have also mentioned in the previous vlog, you will have to set up a VPN in your phone or in your laptop for you to be able to access the Google services, especially the social media sites, if you would like to keep your social media accounts updated with your travel in Shanghai. We also suggest that you set up your Alipay dito pa lang sa Philippines and you link the credit cards, and that the mobile number that you're going to use with your Alipay registration is able to receive one-time passwords even if you're outside the country. Because in our case, no matter how many credit cards we link sa Alipay namin, it always asks for an OTP. So we weren't able to use Alipay that much in Shanghai, but the good thing is they still accept cash. You think it's safe for solo travelers? Baka kasi may magtanong.
Yes, it's safe as long as susunod ba yung rules. Yes, it's true na it's a very strict country, but as long as you follow the rules, laws, and so on, then I don't think there's anything you need to worry about.
Yeah, kasi siya, no, first time niya, solo traveler siya. Yeah, right? That's it, guys. So, if you guys like this vlog, please give this a thumbs up or leave a comment down below if you have any questions sa lahat na nabanggit, pinuntahan, binili, at pinakita namin sa dalawang vlogs na to. And consider subscribing for more vlogs like this coming soon. Bye!
Bye!